Let's introduce the main parameters and application scenarios of 800G OSFP to 2x400G OSFP112 DAC. This high-speed breakout cable comprises passive copper cables with an 800G OSFP connector and two 400G OSFP112 connectors. It is a cost-effective alternative solution for 800G fiber products, which is very suitable for TOR, adjacent racks, and short-range 800G Ethernet and InfiniBand connections. For the cable, the minimum bending radius is 40.5 millimeters, and the jacket is made of PVC, which is sturdy and durable. Using 800G OSFP to 2x400G OSFP 112 DAC, you can directly connect an 800G switch with two 400G switches, plug and play, reduce wiring costs, flexibly apply to different deployments, and help build an affordable wiring system.